Doesn't really seem like it's too long either. Or maybe it is. This message was truncated. So viewport, I need to just find more fields that I need to strip, I think. First of all, I need to make sure it's actually working. Okay, I'm going to need to dump that to a text file because it's too big to show up in the UI. Okay. Maybe it would have been better to just give it a list of fields that I wanted to keep. Thinking about it. You know what? Actually, that makes more sense. Yeah, thinking about it, that actually makes a lot more sense. Oh well, this is how we learn. Okay, well, let's dump the data first so I can see what I'm dealing with. So, search results. Debug.log search results. So for now, I'm going to file, write all text to search results.txt search results. Okay, let's see what we're actually working with.
ChatGPT is ready and waiting.
Cat. Bitch. I recognize bitch. Cat.
Quasi says, Keko.
Cat. Oh my god, I hate this fucking voice to text thing is so bad. It's actually not though, it just doesn't want to fucking recognize cat on its own for some fucking weird reason. Ugh. This is wearing me down. Cat. Look up next Genshin patch date. Okay. Excellent. Now we should have a file. Stop. Okay, we should have a file. There it is. Search results.txt. I actually called it .text instead of txt. Alright, so kind is still there. Wasn't that on our block list, on our remove list? Yeah, it was. So it's not fucking working then, is it? Hmm. Yeah, it's not working because we've got kind in there and it's still got kind. It's got cache ID in there. So this isn't working. But thinking about it, I'm probably going about this backwards. It's probably better because the information I'm looking for is more likely to be in... I would say it's better just to look at snippet. I just want snippet. It could be in HTML snippet because that one there says goes live on Friday 31st of March. But that was about the live stream, but still it shows that information can be in there that's helpful. I think that could be useful to go off. org description. Find out everything we know about Genshin Impact updates. Although that's probably not going to contain up-to-date information. That's probably just about the website in general. Even titles, sometimes people will be helpful and put it in the website title. Anything that reads like human text, basically, is good to keep. Yeah, Twitter title could be useful. Okay, we already got OG site name, OG description. Did I do Twitter description? I only did Twitter title, didn't I? Twitter description. Okay, I think that's probably all I need. Don't care about links, titles, kinds, page maps, any of that shit. Yeah, okay, I need to tell this to change the way it works. But also it's not working at all. Okay, I am still exceeding the token limit. Can the code be modified instead to only keep the public list of fields instead? I think this may have been a better approach. Under contents. Yes, you can modify the code to keep only the public list of fields and their contents instead of stripping the unwanted fields. Here's how you can modify strip fields method. Keep fields. You say that, but it wasn't actually working before either. I just didn't have the heart to tell you. Alright, we'll give it a go. Right, let me just mute that out for now. I assume it's called it fields to keep. Probably. Alright, so I got a list here, didn't I want to work off? Where's my list? Was it this one? Yeah, there it is. Keep that on the left so I can see it. So we want snippet with 1T, HTML snippet, OG colon description with a capital D. Description. Oh no, it doesn't have a capital D, it's got a lowercase t, actually. Parsley title. What's parsley got to do with this? Is the internet vegetarian now? Okay, we don't care about link. Ah, shit, I accidentally pressed copy on the keyboard instead of paste. Twitter title. Yeah, this is a much better way of doing it. Yeah, after parsley title, we want Twitter title and then Twitter description, and we should be done. Beautiful. So get rid of all that shit. All right, fields to keep. And then it said to call the method. Yeah, I've already done that. JObject equals filtered objects. Is that what it called, the method? Called it keep fields? Oh, no. Oh yeah. Filtered object equals keep fields. Search result object keep, yeah. Fields to keep. I had a feeling it would do that. Ah, but it's saying, okay. That would be why it didn't work before, because it didn't tell me to set it. It didn't say that we were doing an equals on it. Okay, this should work now. Yeah. I think that'll work. Alright, if this works, I'm going to be so happy. I'm going to be so happy! So happy!
ChatGPT is ready and waiting.
Cat. 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 You heard me say cat. I can see you did. So why didn't you?
Quasi says, XD.
Cat. 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 Oh my god, this fucking drives me insane. I swear to god, it's designed to torture me.
ChatGPT is ready and waiting.
Cat. 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 Turnip. Well, that's not what I said, but you responded to turnip at least. Dildo. Oh yeah, you recognize that word. Cabbage fucker. Yeah, oh well, you recognize that. Cat. Look up Genshin Impact new banner date. It just said Impact rather than Genshin, but at least... Okay, we're getting different errors now. This is a good sign. Kind of. Okay, Google search begins. That's screwed up. Okay, why did that? Okay, I think that was just a bad text-to-speech issue.
ChatGPT is ready and waiting.
Cat. 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 I fucking swear to God, this is... I swear to God, it's like banging your head against a brick wall. Cat. 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 For fuck's sake! Are you fucking... Ugh! Cat. Cat. Fuck my life. Cat. Fuck my life, cat. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Fuck my life, cat. You bitch. Why didn't you ever listen to me? Cat. Cat. Are you fucking deaf? Cat! Look up. Why is my
Closing
AI
brace, XD.
deaf? What? Why AI Deathclaw not working? What the fuck? What is going on with this now? Oh wait, it's my search web. Okay, search results equals. Oh yeah, no, yeah, we won't need to do that anymore, will we? Oh, actually, yeah, I think that means it's working. Yeah, that won't work anymore because we already stripped all of the fields except the ones we wanted to keep, so we won't be able to do that anymore. That's actually good. That's actually a good sign that it's giving me that error. Okay, this could be it.
ChatGPT is ready and waiting.
Cat. 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 Why doesn't it like cat? Cat. Cat. Cut. Cat. I swear to God, this is all just designed to wind me up. There's no other explanation. Look at every other word is detected. I can say superfragilistic cabbage fucker and it'll detect that. But it won't detect cat. How do you explain that? Super fragile. I mean, it wasn't exactly what I said. It said super fragile cabbage fucker or something. But that is closer than not fucking listening to me at all. Cat. Cat. What is your problem? Cat. Cat. I fucking. Oh my God. I swear to God. Why is this my life? Cat. Cat. Ah! Fuck's sake. Does anyone want this AI, by the way? Free to a good home. Cat AI. Yes, it will drive you fucking insane. Within 10 minutes. Cat. I may as well talk to this fucking lamp over here. Cat. 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 You're detecting the word. It's right there. Cat. 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 Look up. Genshin Impact next banner date. Hello? It looked up hello. Well, at least that's some kind of progress. Oh my God, why? Why? Oh, what a great idea. I've got a good idea. Why don't I make it so that AI is text-to-speech and I can talk to it while I'm streaming? Yeah, what a great idea. Jesus. Oh my God. It's the perfect way to go insane. What a wonderful idea. Yeah, let's do that instead of playing video games and having fun. What a wonderful idea. Am I own worst enemy? No, actually, no. Now she is my worst enemy. The deaf bitch. Alright, okay, so what happened exactly? We got a final answer back. The only problem is, unfortunately, the provided metadata does not contain any information. Yeah, I know, because the text-to-speech engine sucks dick. Alright, if you call that cat GPT, wouldn't that work? Yeah, see, the thing is, I've abbreviated it to cat. You might be right, it might be better than cat. The reason I shortened it to cat is I thought it would be, you know, quicker than saying cat GPT all the time, but not when you have to say cat, 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 cat 7,000 fucking times. Let me see if that helps. I don't know. I need to do something with this. I need to edit the code actually so that the speech engine isn't waiting to build a phrase out of it, because I think that's what's causing it to go wrong. I don't know. I feel like it might struggle with cat GPT. Is there a better wake word I can use? What if I do like assistant? Okay, let's try that. That's gotta be better than cat, cat, cat. Sound like a fucking demented bird. Babe.
ChatGPT is ready and waiting.
That's the thing is, right now, that's the last thing I want to call her. There's a lot of things I want to call her, and it's not babe, is not one of them. B. There's another word that begins with B, like bitch. Assistant. Look up Genshin Impact new banner date. Right, the thing is, it gave up trying to build a phrase out of it. It's again, it's the text to speech that's let me down. Let's try that again.
ChatGPT is ready and waiting.
Assistant. Look up Genshin new banner date. Oh my god. I don't know if you can see that from here. The new banner for Genshin Impact was released on October 12th. Send help, please. I mean, look, it's a step in the right direction, right? It figured out a good Google search term. Genshin Impact new banner release date is the perfect thing to search Google with. Google went and did its search, right? We got back. Where is Google's results though? I think I stopped getting those. Actually, I can look at Google's results by going to that file. So let's reload that file. Search results. Eh? It's empty? So where the fuck did it get October 12th from? Okay, no, there's something went wrong. Ah, ChatGPT screwed us. I think ChatGPT screwed us with its code. I think we ended up with an empty search. So I'm impressed that it gave us a date at all, to be honest, because we gave it nothing to go on. Okay, hang on a minute. Why is that happening? Oh, we're so close now. An assistant seems to work much better than cat. Oh, God. If not only for my own sanity. Debug. Yeah, we did debug.log search results, so that would be the empty thing here. That would be that, probably. Yeah, it is. Okay, so that's coming back blank. Which one of these is coming back blank, though? That's the question. Okay, something is going wrong in this structure here. So, like, first of all, give me the response text. Then give me the search result objects to string. Right, see where we go from there.
ChatGPT is ready and waiting.
Assistant? Assistant. Assistant. Oh, now it's fucking playing silly buggers with assistant now. I swear, it's this fucking text-to-speech thing drives me mad. Voice-to-speech, voice-to-text, whatever the fuck it's called. Because I think it was programmed to try and build full sentences and paragraphs out of the words that it hears. So where it's going wrong is it's just waiting to feel like it's got a complete sentence. So that's why when it hears cat on its own, it's like, okay, yep, heard cat. What comes next? Like it won't finalize that as a guess, basically. Actually, that's not true because cat wasn't even fucking coming up. But now it's doing that with assistant. Anyway. Assistant. Look up. Next Genshin banner date. Okay, Genshin Impact next banner date. Okay, it came back with a final answer. Oh, okay, we got Google search results back. Right, it becomes nothing. Yeah, after that, keep fields. Okay, for some reason, the output becomes empty after calling the static I can give it I'll give it my code so I can. It's better to give it more context than less. Oh, this is such a pain in the ass. I mean, I knew this would be a pain in the ass because this is like some pretty crazy ass shit that I'm doing right now. Trying to Chinese, and these APIs aren't great, I have to admit. Okay, for some reason, well, I can just copy and paste that. I already typed it all out, so there we go. Ah. It looks like there's a mistake in your code. You mean the code you wrote? It's not my. There's no mistake in my code. Your code had a mistake. Excuse me. Don't be blaming my code, son of a bitch. My code worked fine until you start changing it. How would you explain that then, eh? Alright, if request.result, blah, 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 blah. What are you saying? You're writing the old variable search results instead of the updated variable get results. Oh, okay, you might be right about that. You might be right about that. Sounds like something I would do. But I don't know, you could be gaslighting me. You could be gaslighting me. Let's see, which part are we... Yeah, it's just that method there then. So we're only going down to here. What? Wait, what? Well, it's very not happy now. Oh, it's probably... I probably only want to go to there. Yeah. So it's only from that to there. Alright, let's try that.
ChatGPT is ready and waiting.
Assistant! Assistant! Look up next banner date, please.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Look up.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Next Genshin banner date. What? I don't understand. Don't look for I don't understand next. Oh my god. This thing is driving me insane. Right. Okay, but on the plus side. Look! No, wait, that's empty. Is that empty? No, wait, what is this? Ah, I hate this. No, it's still not working, you son of a bitch. That's now my search result. Yeah, now my search result just returns this. No, you're full of shit. You think I'm that dumb that none of the fields are present? Okay. Yeah, again, I'm not that dumb. Yeah, the thing is, ChatGPT does a lot of gaslighting like this, right? It's not me being an idiot. It's your fucking code that's not working. Trust me on this. But this might help me see the names of the fields in question. Make sure that the fields in fields to keep exactly match the field names in JObject, including capitalization and any special characters. Yes, it does. That wouldn't account for all of them being wrong. Like, how dumb do you think I am? Maybe I could accidentally make 1 or 2 mistakes, but I'm not going to fucking get every single one wrong, am I? You may want to try out putting the keys of the JObject to make sure you're using the correct field names. Here's an example of how to do that. Okay, so we'll put that, because that might help actually. After we convert it to the JObject, here, let's do just that. And we'll put keys so we know that that's the result of. All right, we'll get to the bottom of this. We're so close now.
ChatGPT is ready and waiting.
Assistant, look up. Why is my penis so small? Okay. Where is my penis so small? Oh, where, Google? Where did you put my tiny little penis? I cannot find it anywhere. Maybe it's too small to find. Maybe. So our search... Okay, the only... That's interesting. Okay, let's give it some more information. The following code only returns the following keys. Kind URL queries context search information and items. Oh my god, you're so annoying. That makes no sense. Oh my god, ChatGPT, sometimes you really have an ego problem. Do you know that? Like, think about it, right? This has nothing to do... Okay. The output I provided is prior to calling the static. Directly after converting the string to a JObject. Are there subfields or something similar, perhaps? The output provided is prior to calling the static directly after converting the string to a JObject. It's possible the fields you're trying to keep are nested within other fields. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's exactly what I'm saying. Thank you. You finally admit that there's a problem with your code. Wow. Yeah, so it was only going 1 field level deep. whereas Google's using nested fields. I knew it was something like that, but it's like I've got to it's like I've got to convince this fucking thing that it made a mistake and prove that it made a mistake before it'll actually admit it. Okay, now let's see where we get.
ChatGPT is ready and waiting.
Assistant? Assistant? Right, let me just fucking swear to God, this thing is absolute fucking torture ingredients. Right, it said it's confused assistant, assistant, and assistant, assistants. Okay, now we'll get there eventually.
ChatGPT is ready and waiting.
Assistants, look up next Genshin banner date. Look up next Genshin Bonita. Look up. Oh my god! I need to replace the voice recognition plugin with something else at some point. I really do, because that is the worst part of the system right now. It's so fucking bad. It's unbelievable, and I paid money for that as well. It's fucking garbage. But okay, we can do that at some point. I just can't deal with that right now. Can't deal with enough shit. Hide that because it's not really helping being up there, to be honest.
ChatGPT is ready and waiting.
Assistant, look up next Genshin banner date.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Look up.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
I swear to fucking God, this thing is designed to torture me.
ChatGPT is ready and waiting.
Assistant, look up next Genshin banner date. Yeah, it's exactly the same results. Let's see if I can figure this out on my own. This is so ridiculous. So it detects kind. It doesn't even detect title. The next one it detects is URL. This makes no sense. This code's got to be fucked. Maybe it's not a J object. Okay, let me try this. After converting the string into a J object, the fields are always much fewer than they should be. Would it be feasible to instead identify fields using their field format ending in a colon? And counting the content length between the instead of using J objects. Okay, sadly I get the same problem. After converting the string into a J object, the fields are always much fewer than they should be. Would it be feasible instead identify fields using their field colon format ending in a colon and counting their content length between the following quotes instead of using J objects? It is feasible to identify the field counting their content between the following quotes. You can try using regular expressions to extract the values of the fields you want to keep based on their field format. Thank you. See, that's the way I wanted to originally do it, to be honest. But then I was quite impressed when I learned about this geobject thing. Except it doesn't work. Okay, so that's my keep fields. I think we use system text regular expressions. can call this method like this. Get results equals keep fields. All right, let's try that. I may be missing a namespace for system.link. Thank you. Okay, we'll get there eventually.
ChatGPT is ready and waiting.
Assistant, look up next Genshin Vanadate. Next gen vanities. It's the same shit, honestly. Oh my god, what is ChatGPT trying to do to me? Fields to keep is a list of strings. It's ChatGPT's code, it's gotta be. That's very good. I don't really know what this is doing. Like, I get the concept, but I've never used String Builder before, so I have no idea what the fuck. My field names are definitely correct. Yep, snippet. See, I'm wondering if it's got anything to do with the fact that they're in quotes or something like that. I don't know. Like, we're not getting any matched fields. That's interesting because we get the exact same output and it fails to match a single field. My brain's starting to break. We're almost there though, but it's always the same, right? I'm like step 9 of 10. And then that's always like the one that like goes on for hours and hours and hours. I need to make sure I'm saving the search results before we try and do any of this stripping, because it just strips it out completely. Because I need to take another look at the actual Google search results. I don't even need to do everything else with the AI query and stuff. I can just do a Google search directly from here. Yeah, search Genshin patch date, that's fine. And we'll just let it go and do its thing.
ChatGPT is ready and waiting.
Okay, so we should have a file now. Okay, so there's the beginning of the file. Got so many of these up and I don't even know which one I'm working with. Okay, there we go. Dot 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 dot. There is also a lot of metadata before the actual results, which I failed to include earlier, and wonder if it may be throwing this off. It seems that the JSON object you are receiving is a Google custom search response